How to learn anything 10 times faster, even if you have zero motivation. You're not bad at learning. You're just learning in a way that guarantees you'll forget. All those YouTube videos, the podcast you swore would change your life, gone. Poof. Vanished in 24 hours. But what if I told you there's a way to learn anything faster, deeper, and in a way that actually sticks? In a world where AI is upgrading faster than even we realize, learning how to learn isn't just a nice skill, it's a survival skill. Whether you're trying to pivot careers, build your business, or just finally finish that course you bought last year and never touched again, yep, we've all been there. This video is your step-by-step blueprint to learning 10 times faster. No theory, just clear, practical, high-leverage methods, plus how to supercharge each of them with AI. Tip number 1, map your life, not just your learning. If you don't know why you're learning something, your brain doesn't either. Start here. Open a doc or grab a pen. Split the page into 3. What do I not want in my life? What kind of life do I want? What skills will help me build that? This isn't about journaling your dreams. It's about creating a learning GPS. If you know where you're headed, you stop downloading random knowledge and start picking up the exact tools you need. You can use ChatGPT as your career clarity coach. Act as a strategic advisor. Here's what I enjoy, what I'm good at, and what I want in life. What skills should I master next? Boom! Instant personalized learning path. Tip number 2. Build first, learn second. Most people binge tutorials, high-performance build projects. Instead of consuming 10 videos on how to code, build a simple app, struggle, then search only for what you need to solve your next obstacle. This creates urgency. Urgency triggers memory. And guess what? Real struggle equals real learning. Pick a project, any project. Design a portfolio site, create a 30-day AI newsletter, and use ChatGPT or Notion to outline it into milestones. As you hit roadblocks, ask, how do I? And let AI become your co-pilot. Tip number 3, use the Feynman technique. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it. Take what you're learning, now pretend you're teaching it to a 10-year-old. That's the Feynman technique. When you hit a wall and start mumbling, you've just discovered the exact part you need to revisit. Use ChatGPT like this. Try to explain concept. Rewrite this in the simplest term possible, as if I'm 5 years old. Or even better, quiz me on this and challenge me with real-life applications. Bonus! Turn your explanations into tweets, LinkedIn posts, or short videos. It's a double win for learning plus visibility. Tip number 4. Activate the protégé effect by teaching. The teacher learns more than the student. Create a habit of teaching what you learn even if nobody's watching. It forces you to structure your thinking, uncover gaps, and refine what actually matters. Start a public learning journal, weekly newsletter, Instagram carousel, YouTube shorts, or go simple. Here's one thing I learned this week about AI and how I'm using it. This makes your learning journey searchable, shareable, and sticky. Tip number 5. Leverage pattern recognition. Your brain is a prediction machine. It learns faster when it sees patterns. So help it out. Chunk information, look for frameworks, compare sources. Use AI to highlight patterns for you. Compare the 3 most popular frameworks for learning productivity and show me their overlap. Or, what do the top 5 YouTube videos on learning fast have in common? Let AI help you shortcut months of analysis in minutes. Tip number 6. Make AI your daily study partner. People using AI are about to outlearn everyone else. Here's the move. Feed your notes into ChatGPT or Claude, ask it to quiz you, ask it to explain harder parts in simple terms. Ask it to create a 30-day study plan based on what you're learning. You don't need a fancy setup, even a basic prompt like, "You are my expert learning coach. I want to master storytelling in 60 days. Build a study plan." This will change your game. You can also feed it YouTube video transcripts, PDFs, or books you're reading and get instant summaries, questions, and flashcards. Tip number 7. Stack your learning habits. You don't need more hours, you need smarter blocks. Use 30 to 60 minutes of building, up to 45 minutes of learning, and 50 to 30 minutes of reflecting or walking while listening. That's it. A 2-hour block done 3-4 times a week will outpace most people's busy learning habits. Pair learning with something else. Listen to audiobooks while walking, watch breakdowns while cooking, reflect by voice memo on your commute. This stacks habits without adding friction. Tip number 8. Reflect in public. Learning without reflection is like writing in invisible ink. Use writing to clarify your thinking, track your progress, and build your reputation. Start a digital garden, or just share one new insight each week. Over time, it builds confidence and credibility. Use this writing prompt weekly. What's one thing I learned this week? How did it change how I think or act? Want to go deeper? Use AI to polish and structure your thoughts into clear content that connects. Why all this matters? In a world where everything's moving faster, AI, technology, even TikTok attention span, your edge isn't more degrees. It's becoming the kind of person who can learn anything, anytime, and apply it fast. This is about sovereignty. Because when you can learn fast, you can adapt fast. And when you can adapt fast, you don't fear the future, you shape it. Your turn. What's the one skill you're learning this year? And what project will you use to lock it in? And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's stuck in their progress. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and always stay human.